I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you guys can hear me. I am outside in the backyard and I am trying to do my fall seeding. I am going to do majority of my stuff for fall, like my veggies and herbs in containers this year. And then anything that's like really big that I know I can't get in a pot, I'm going to plant in my second raised flower bed that I did a video on with you guys a couple of months ago. So I just created another one, and so I'm going to be putting like my broccoli, my cauliflower, my cabbage, carrots that are a little bit longer, I'm going to put in there too. But these ones I wanted to kind of show you guys what I'm going to put in these. So I'm going to put kale in this one. I'm going to put some carrots in this one, and then some carrots in this one. The moisture control potting mix Miracle Grow. I have never used this one, but a lot of people that actually do a lot of gardening that I am friends with say that they find real success with getting Miracle Grow and potting mix because it does really well. And then it's also supposed to be really good for moisture control. So if there's days that I somehow forget to possibly water, try really hard not to do that, especially right now, it'll help with it. Alright you guys, you really don't need a big pot. So this one I'm gonna do kale in, this one I'm gonna do carrots, and then this one I'm gonna do carrots. Just trying to use as many seeds as possible so I really feel like I get a good harvest for fall. I'm using the Miracle Grow Moisture Control Potting Mix. I think this was $8 or $8.95 at Lowe's. And the kale that I'm using, red Russian kale. This one is 1,000 seeds. I am sorry, it is like super windy outside. I like the soil already because it clumps together, but then when you touch it, it like breaks apart, which is nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about 2 or 3 seeds into each placement. Again, this is the red Russian kale that I'm using. It came with 1,000. So I'm going to do about 2 or 3 in each one.
Your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes.
I want it to be a big bush of kale as much as I possibly can. I'm like super excited. It's pretty deep, so I'm hoping I'm gonna get some out of it. I've never done this before, so we shall see if it works.
Alright you guys, so this video was actually cut short because it was raining because of the tropical storm that we had, and it has been raining every day since. So I thought that I finished doing the video of showing my planting and what I was putting in each pot. However, my battery died and I did not know. So I finished all the planting of my plants. So I still wanted to show them to you guys because they're actually already starting to grow. So today is Friday. I did this video on Sunday, and then it's been raining nonstop. So they were out maybe for a day, and then with the sun, and then it's been like nonstop raining. But I still see some veggies coming in. So I just wanted to show you guys how amazing this like Miracle Grow potty mix is. Again, I've never used it. I was like real shocked and real blown away because I mean, I'm not letting them go outside because the last thing I want to do is damage them because it's supposed to rain again today. But I at least wanted to show you guys. Alright you guys, so these are the potty mixes. This one is the kale that was the actual video, and then I was supposed to show you the carrots one, but I literally did not know that my camera stopped working. But again, I started this on Sunday. They were out for about a day, and look at that. Hello little guy. Hello little guy. And then, hopefully you guys can see him. Like, there's so many. Oh my gosh, I'm just like blown away right now. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I am like so excited, you guys. This is amazing. And this one hasn't done anything yet, but I'm not stressing it. So I'm trying to put it towards the sun. All right. This one, I don't believe has done anything either, but again, I'm not stressing it. This is my greens, and I mean, look at that. That is just like mind-blowing to me. I just wanted to show you guys, I'm sorry, the video that I am putting in front of all of this is only like 4 minutes long, and I honestly thought that my battery was charged enough, but I guess it wasn't. So I just wanted to show you guys that yes, I finished potting. I did certain seeds. I'll link them down below for you guys. So if you're interested, I would highly recommend the potty mix from Miracle Grow. That stuff is amazing. Like amazing. But that is it, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
You are the stranger in the corner on the same